At Affordable Window Repair in Blackburn, we understand the importance of maintaining the functionality and aesthetics of your doors and windows. Our door and window repair services are designed to address any issues you may encounter, such as lock repairs, misted glass replacements, misty windows, and double glazing repairs. With our comprehensive range of solutions, we aim to provide you with a hassle-free experience and enhance the safety and security of your property. We pride ourselves on delivering high-quality services tailored to your specific needs. Our team utilizes top-notch materials and equipment to ensure durable and long-lasting repairs. Whether you have a commercial property in need of professional window repairs or require residential window replacements, our dedicated experts strive to exceed your expectations with their expertise and attention to detail. As a leading window repairs company, we are committed to offering reliable and affordable solutions. We prioritize customer satisfaction and aim to provide efficient services without compromising on quality. Our skilled technicians are trained to assess your windows accurately, offering cost-effective solutions to fit your budget.